Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to know if your Instagram account is eligible for monetization or not. So if you want to get monetized or maybe you want to check if you are eligible for it or not because you want to start making money out of Instagram, then I'll show you how you can check if you're eligible for monetization or not. So first you have to simply open your Instagram app by clicking onto its icon. Once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. You have to go to the settings, and to go to the settings you have to go to your profile. So for that reason, click onto your profile icon from the right bottom side. Once you tap onto it, you will get into your profile. Now once you get there, you have to go to the settings, and after that you have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option, which is creator tools and control. Once you click onto it, you will see this option, which is the monetization status. If you see this option, you're able to monetize. That means you're eligible for monetization. You can start posting content, and due to that you can start making money out of it through bonus and on reel ads, something like that. But let's say you are eligible but it is not starting, it is causing some issue. In that case, you have to go to the help, and once you get there, you have to go to the support request and click on monetization support. There could be any reason that you are not getting monetized, so by that you can support that ticket. You can contact the team and explaining that you are eligible but you still don't have the status for monetization. But the other thing you can do is that you can just simply shake your phone for a while and then you can report a problem explaining your scenario that you're eligible for monetization but you're still not getting that monetization tool or anything related to it. If you have anything else to write, you can just simply explain your whole scenario and click on send, and after that it will send to the Instagram team. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.